Football lovers, sanibonani. Welcome to BKS Sports with Bonginkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi nikahle niyaphila. Please, cela ningisize ngontodwa. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you have already subscribed, cela ungisize ushiye i-like on the video. Ngawenza omkhulu umehluko. Futhi nami ngingabonga kakhulu. Danko. Uthabo Cele is a good player and it was a good addition by Kaizer Chiefs, especially mabamthole ngendlela bamthole ngayo mahala. And to realize ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs wanted him 3 seasons ago baze bamthola sebamthola manje, it shows ukuthi they were huge admirers of Uthabo Cele. But now the reason why I believe ukuthi he will still continue to struggle, not because of he's a bad player, but there are circumstances that you find yourself facing as a player, especially if you are coming from a league whereby it is different from the one that EPSL or Betway Premiership is. Why am I saying that? It is because you are transitioning from European football besobuya Africa uzodlala African football. To be precise, let me say with the South African football. In the Betway Premiership, as a holding six, we are expected to be scrape winning loose balls, get yourself in physical battles, ushama tackles, whereby you must be involved in the chaos. But in Europe, it's all about one thing: positional awareness, tactical awareness, you being able to scan what is happening around me, you understanding time and space. But here in the Betway Premiership, it is difficult because of what? Our football is quick, number one. Number two, there's no time, there's no space that you are given when you receive the ball. Once you receive the ball, already opponents are here to press you. If you are press resistant, it becomes difficult. That's why people are always on Ox's case, because Ox, once he receives the ball, it becomes difficult for him to think quicker. Good, what can I do next? But for Uthabo Cele, he is able to do that, but he's not at his best yet. Why? Because he has to adjust to everything that is happening, that change that he's facing now. Because another thing, one thing that will overshadow him playing Lapana as a holding six, it is the fact that most of the time, many teams in the Betway Premiership, they are not playing narrow. They use Amawad channels. It's only few teams. Maybe I can mention Mamelodi Sundowns, but other teams, they use wing play. They are using Amawad channels. And another thing that will hinder him from being at his best is that you won't see him most of the time because of what? Once we start the ball, it's either we are looking for a quick play, 1-2, we stretch the field, and then after Lapoge, the ball is no longer played in the middle of the park. It's all about ama-diagonals, ama-bola ayadlula ayaphambili. So it's all about that. Guti, if a defensive midfielder needs to be visible in a game, it's all about him being able to cut out attacks of our opponents, of which at some point, that's why people are always saying Ox when he's playing. Ox is in the game because he's winning most of the balls, he's winning most of the match well. But Cele, you won't see that. Cele is all about him being able to scan and look around with, okay, this is what is happening. If I receive the ball, I stretch the field. But Ox, he's more visible because he's always contesting, he's always making sure he protects that back four. But with Cele, a back four is vulnerable. Because of why? He's not good when it comes to those challenges, those jewels, the ground jewels and the air jewels. Why? Because Ipolalak revolves around playing the ball, not the movement of the ball. That's why many people will see him struggling a lot, because it's not being played to his strength the way Kaizer Chiefs played. That's why uzombona so cool. But for Ox, he's always there because ukwazi ukwenza ukuthi azibonakalise by winning the balls. That's what makes him stand out in a game. But for Ucele, it needs him good ashaye one good pass, one defense splitting pass, one thing that will separate him from amanye players. Oh, here is Ucele. But go Ox, nanoma ungamnakanga, the only thing uzoyinotice ukuthi ulwinile ibhola wapass ama opponent back. But for Ucele, mele ube na something good emele yenze. That's why I feel like he's still gonna continue struggling. Because if you want to see a player manage a game, controlling the tempo, setting up the tone, it is not that easy if most of the time you are not using narrow channels, we are not playing in the middle of the park. That's why ngeke umbone kakhulu Ucele. But asikho lapho kakhulu. I don't know ukuthi wena ucabanga kanjani ukuthi do you see him finding his form back, getting the momentum, understanding ukuthi this is how the league operates, this is how he needs to change, this is how he needs to adapt in order for him to be a standout performer in the middle of the park. Yabo, intena kanjalo. But now let's talk about a young player, Thulani Touch Mabaso. It is good to see what he's spending a lot of time with the senior team now, trying to adjust, trying to grasp as much as possible knowledge he can on how to play. Let's talk about the positional awareness, the tactical awareness, because that's what he needs to have in order for him to be ready for the senior team. So, in the absence of Ox, I think he's going to be a player that is going to fill up his base. Not per se saying what he's gonna play, but he's gonna be there. Ukuthi akwazi ukuzwa the feel ukuthi okay, this is how it is ukuthi ngibe ku senior team. This is how I need to do. This is what I need to do. The what's not and the do's. Yabo, izinto ezina kanjalo. But for now, let me say ukuthi is it wise for the coaches ukuthi bamfake, throw him in the deep end? Is it wise? Because at some point there's this thing that we say we are protecting these players, but we will protect them up until when? When will they grow? Because you might never know, just one chance might change his whole life, his game. Because it might be that he's the missing puzzle in that CDM role. Yes, he's still young. And one advantage young players or young people have is that advantage, they are very capable of doing things. They are able to benza ama mistakes, and it is acceptable because we know there's a room for error, room for improvement. They're gonna grow. But that is another crucial position. Because a CDM practical, you can say it's another defender. If you are playing with 4, it simply means you are defending with 5. So if they break your CDM, it simply means your back 4 is exposed, especially while you are playing with fullbacks that need to overlap. Simply means if he's not aware of his surroundings, if one fullback overlaps, he needs to drop. Because a youth football and the reserve football is different from a senior football. Because Lapana, there's no room for error. One mistake, we are punished as a team. But for him, I think he's coming all right, because I see him not now being a prospect player, being a regular feature for his Chiefs, but I believe with timing and the patience for him to wait for his time. Because we know very well, sometimes we can be calling out for players, let them be played, and then Maseka Dlaliwe, and then people change their minds. Because why? They've rushed the process. But for now, I believe uzothi alonje integrate, uzothi Maseka bona seka right manje bazomfaka, because we saw other teams putting youngsters under the bus with no awuzibona ukuthi uphethini, and then they shine to the occasion. But for Chiefs players, the youngsters, it's all about them being protected. I don't know what up until when, because when protector as abe he legend club but angazange adlale more than 100 games. That's the thing about players for Chiefs, because also pressure, it is very, very hard to bear if you don't have a strong mentality. Let's move to another topic. There was a player that was linked with the Kaizer Chiefs, and for Chiefs saying that they won't be making any signings on this transfer window. Other players saw good to know it is better for us to speak elsewhere in order for us to find teams to play for. Jean-Charles Ahoua was linked with Kaizer Chiefs. He's an exciting player, plays as an attacking midfielder, a very good goal scorer, skillful player, and is an elegant player. It's a player that I'd say good at Chiefs. He might be a good player, but not at the same time. I'd say Guti would expect big things from him, because one thing I know for a fact, Guti, a good player in another club is not a good player in natural, especially if you don't have the character to back up good when you deserve to play for Kaizer Chiefs. That's where it makes it difficult, because I think good at Chiefs, I always ask this question, good, what type of a player is a Kaizer Chiefs material? Yabo. But I think a Chiefs character is much more appreciated than how the player performs, because one thing that misleads us, especially when it comes to making signings, if it's not the noise, it's the fact that when they do a profiling, they rely most on watching ama reels, most on looking at ama stats, and we know very well with the stats, they don't reveal everything, just like coach Steve Komphela said, they are like a begin. So we might look at the database and say, oh, he's scoring, he's assisting, but we don't look at the input, we don't look at his performances, how he performs. Good, okay, in terms of how he plays, will he be suitable for Kaizer Chiefs as an attacking midfield? Yabo. But another thing, I think with Kaizer Chiefs decided, no, we do have players, and we still have an attacking midfielder that haven't yet played, which we are still longing to see good to Peyton, because we believe good he's a good player. Nah, because besibona ama reels from our Facebook, from YouTube. But in terms of your overall performance, asas, because number one, you can't judge what you don't know. You can make a judgment after seeing a player playing. Then that's when you can decide, no, it's like not basithengisele ingulube sesakeni. But I don't know ukuthi nina nicabanga kanjani. Utouch Mabaso is a good player and uzosithola isikhathi sakhe, asingamjahi, because it's going to be the same mistakes we did with the likes of Abo Samkelo Zwane, Abo Happy Mashiane, ukuthi uyabajaha, after then ubaphelela amandla, so balahlela ithawula. Ahoua asikhohlweni has signed with CR Belouizdad, even though he won't be registered up until they settled that issue of theirs with the transfer kaKhanyisa Mayo. And then for Thabo Cele, he needs to change some things in his gameplay in order for him ukuthi azokwazi ukuthi adapte adlale the way it demanda ngakhona iBetway Premiership. I don't know, what do you think about this? You will tell me in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So bonana kwi video elandelayo. Ikhosi alipheli umoya. Danko.